Hello?
Bonjour, it's me.
Who?
Me, Gabriel.
I think you may have the wrong number.
Are you not Raffi? Raffi de Bassclef?
Yeah, that's me, but I don't know anyone called Gabrielle.
It's Chanel. Coco Chanel.
Coco Chanel? Who is this?
It's Coco Chanel.
Aren't you supposed to be dead?
Yes, I am, but I am French, so...
Yeah, of course. So, how's things?
Cut the crap. I called you for the business. I'm going to send you something.
Yeah, that thing with the mini skirt, that was only once. For comfort reasons.
Silence. I'm sending you un nouveau parfum de Chanel.
Oh, a new Chanel fragrance. I'd be honored.
It is sent.
Yeah, wow, that was quick. Did you have to break my window?
Well, I am French, so...
Oh, yeah, of course. Oh, how cute. It's a Chanel bag.
You will do impressions de première, yes?
Yeah, of course. Did you want me to send you the video before I publish it?
I have already seen it.
But I haven't made it yet. How could you... Oh, that's right. It's because you're French, isn't it?
No, it's because I don't exist. I'm only a figment of your imagination.
Oh, really? Then why did you call my phone?
That is not a phone.
Oh, Raph, you've done it now. You got some free stuff from Chanel. Hopefully it's something nice. I mean, the box ain't that big, so let's see what's in here, eh? Chance? You sent me a chance flanker? God, I swear that thing with the miniskirt was just the one time. For comfort. Anyway, let's see what this smells like. Eau Splendide, eh? Splendide is French for splendid, or impressive. This is atrocious. For a Chanel. I think I need to explain why. This was released in 2025. First of all, let me come clean. I didn't get free stuff from Chanel. I got an email, and the email said, "Hey, do you want a sample of our new fragrance?" I guess it must be that bad that they're sending out free samples to me. They didn't send me any of Comet when that came out. They did not send me any of the Superleggera for the Chanel Allure Homme Sport when it came out. But they did send me this. I mean, I do like the color. It's nice. Eau Splendide. It's supposed to be impressive, splendid. It's not that great. It's a bit juvenile, actually, which may be the direction that Chanel is headed in. If I didn't know any better, I would say that all of the old ladies who are the stalwarts and the main sales cash cows for Chanel, especially in their fragrance division, are old and dying. And they need a new wave of youngsters to take their place. It's probably why this smells so juvenile. It's unbelievable that this came from Olivier Polge. Now, I always say first impression is really not that deep, but when you get things like red fruits and raspberry and musk, which is the main things that I'm smelling in here, it's really like, it's actually very similar to this from Commodity. Juice. Kind of similar to this. This was a fruity juvenile scent. It is a fruity juvenile scent. I'll get this enormous box out of the way. But at least they were kind enough to send me a massive box with a full bottle and 2 other 10ml flankers of this, the Juice Plus and the Juice Expressive or something like that. I know. Different companies, different strategies. I haven't worn this very much. It's really not my thing. But I've kept it. And I did spray it in the air the other day, anticipating that the Eau Splendide would be something similar. I didn't think it would be this similar. I can definitely smell rose and geranium in here. It's just, I wouldn't even say it's a cool scent for like youngsters or anything like that, because the youngins these days, they really want that sweetness. This feels like adolescence from many decades ago. It doesn't necessarily feel like adolescence of today. And I guess if this was a release from a smaller house, like say a Commodity or something like that, then we could be a little bit more forgiving. But something coming from Chanel is, well, you know, it's got a lot of budget behind it. It's got a lot of thought behind it. And you would expect there to be something a little bit more impressive than this. I'm not alone here, I guess. And I did read some reviews after I smelled it, obviously, because I didn't want to taint my opinions of this. I always want to go into these things with an open mind. And I mean, I guess it's quite crisp and fresh. It is a warm night tonight, and I would say that you could potentially wear this on a warmer day. It certainly gives me a 90s vibe. It kind of also reminds me of Versace Donna versus Donna, that one. Just the color and the vibe of it as well. It's almost like a very girly girl fragrance. I mean, it is a very girly girl fragrance, but not the girls of today, I don't think. I don't think they'd go for this. I mean, you could say maybe they're a bit out of touch, and probably it's showing now with this release. If they stuck to something like what Chance is really good at, I know a lot of people that do love Chance, that swear by the original, and some of its flankers is very nice as well. You've smelled it everywhere. But to take a turn like this, yeah, I don't think so. I don't think it's not my bag, but I just honestly don't think it's a great fragrance in the Chanel catalog. I guess you can't have all hits, you know? And one of the things about Chanel that make their fragrances so special is the fact that they have their own fields of where they grow their fragrant material, and the climate on those fields, which grow the fragrant material, have their own sort of nuance to the fragrance, and they have their own DNA, and you can tell that you're smelling a Chanel most of the time, especially the female fragrances. You can tell that this is a Chanel. You can tell if you're smelling a Chance flanker, for example. With this, you kind of don't get that at all. It's a complete departure from the original, and it's not indicative in any way of a Chanel. there could have been something else in here to make it pop, you know, something brighter than this that takes away from the melange of red fruits. And now the musks are getting more prominent, but still, I'd say if it was the typical Chanel musks that you would find in, like, say, the Les Exclusives collection, then you'd still be on to a winner. Or the fantastic bergamot, or the use of bergamot that Chanel uses in a lot of their fragrances, that would have also been a winner. To pair with this, to actually, you know, cut through the overdone sweetness of the red berries. Red berries generally aren't that sweet. The tartness is just not there, which I enjoy. Some people might enjoy this. I wouldn't say that some people who do enjoy this would be enjoying paying more than $20 to $40 for a bottle of something that smells as generic as this. I just don't think that they've won anything or anyone with this release. Eau Splendide. Oh no, not this time, unfortunately. I'm not a detractor of Chanel. I know I talk shit about them, and I can because they don't watch my channel. But they have amazing fragrances. I cannot deny that. I've got a lot of them. And I do not have Chance. I'm not a fan of it. I think I've said that before. And the fact that this doesn't smell like that, probably that's a plus. But I can't deny how well Chance is made. And I can't deny how distinctive it is when you smell it, when someone's walking by you and you smell it. But this is not. That's not it. That's not it. Unfortunate but true. Anyway, that's my impression of it. Not a good one, and probably be giving this to my daughters or something like that. Let's see if they like it. In any case, I'm going to get back on the banana phone, or maybe later, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.